What's the meaning of Algonquian? Algonquian. 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 Algonquian.
Algonquian refers to a group of Native American languages spoken in a region that extends from the east coast of North America to the Great Plains. The Algonquian languages all share a similar grammatical structure and have a common ancestor. Some well-known Algonquian languages include Cree, Ojibwe, and Cheyenne. The Algonquian people were among the first indigenous groups to encounter European settlers in North America. Today, many Algonquian communities continue to promote and preserve their cultural heritage and language through various initiatives and programs.